because we're here in Mexico with my friend and we'll do a beach cleanup even though it's not International Beach Cleanup Day, but we missed it and we're not going to be here that day. So we're doing it today. So what you'll need is a bag, pick up the trash. You will need gloves and you'll need a water bottle so you don't die because it's hot. Let's get started. This is what we got in 5 minutes. Like, it's insane.
Man sieht's gar nicht. Fail.
Going to the next one. We are here at our third beach, which is the Catella or something, and look at these waves. Oh my god. Hi guys, it's the next day. It got really dark yesterday when we did the cleanup, so it was too dark to like film an outro or something. I'm at the first beach right now where we went yesterday, so that's what you see here. We found like 2 bags of trash and I still see a lot of trash today, so I think it's like coming every day. I just don't have a bag right now, but I'll try to pick it up too as long as I'm here, you know, but we all do our best. I hope you enjoyed the video and it inspired you to do something similar, to like pick up waste wherever you see some. Just keep an eye open and try to help wherever you can. With that being said, I hope you have an amazing day and subscribe to my channel to see more content, and see you next time. Bye!